Good evening to all. In this video, we are going to see about the case study. A case study in the machining operation. Now the machining operation is done by the machines, but manually. All the settings, and for the each and every operations we have to inspect whether whether the machine operation has been done in a satisfied manner or to a required manner. For this, here we are see about the machining operations, which has been either it's a profitability or it's a benefit. What are the benefits of the machining operations? A case study on it. As one is illustrative case study in machining operations involves implementation of the computer numerical control, that is CNC technology, to enhance the precision and efficiency in manufacturing process. We say, let us see, in a company manufacturers specializing in aerospace components was facing challenges in producing intricate and complex parts with high precision. Traditional manual machining methods were proving to be time consuming, error prone, and costly due to the need for the skilled machinist and frequent networks. To address these issues, the company decided to integrate CNC machining process into their operations. In this case, CNC machining, computerized numerical control machining, involved using computer controlled machines to execute precise machining operation according to the programmed instructions. The company invested in CNC mills and lathes equipped with advanced tooling and software. The transition to CNC machining yielded several significant benefits. We see one by one the benefits. On introducing the CNC machine, precision and consistency. CNC machine offered unparalleled accuracy and consistency. The programmed instructions ensured that each part was machined to the exact specification, eliminating variations that often occur with manual machining. Reduced labor and cycle time. The second benefit is that the need for the skilled machinist was reduced as CNC machines were operated by trained technicians only. Moreover, the cycle time for machining was substantially reduced due to the automation of tool changes, part positioning, and other processes. There is no need of idle time on changing the tools or the part positioning. And third benefit is the complex geometry handling. CNC technology allowed the company to easily produce complex geometries that were previously challenging or impossible with manual methods. This was particularly crucial in aerospace applications where intricate parts are common. And next, fourth benefit is the minimized scrap and rework. With the precise machining and reduced human intervention, the instance of the scrapped parts and rework diminished significantly, resulting in cost saving and improved overall production efficiency. The fifth benefit is the flexibility and prototyping. CNC machines allow for quick reprogramming and adjustment, facilitating rapid prototyping and the production to small batches without the need of retooling itself. And the sixth benefit, the last one, is the data collection and analysis. CNC machines generated data on the machining process, tool wear, and other metrics. This data could be analyzed to optimize process, predict maintenance needs, and to improve the overall operations. The adopted CNC machining transformed company's operations The precision and efficiency gains led to improved product quality and customer satisfaction. Additionally, the reduced reliance on the highly skilled labor cost and enhanced operation flexibility. This case study underscores the transformative power of advanced machining technologies like CNC by embracing automation, precision, and data driven decision making. Manufacturing process can evolve to meet the demand of the modern industries, resulting in improved product quality, reduced cost, and increased competitiveness. Thus, in this session, we seen about the case study on the machining operations by implementing the CNC machines instead of a manual machining, such that which reduce the cost and increase competitiveness. And thank you for listening my video. Thank you once again.